how's it going? My name is John Villanueva. I just had a hair transplant with Dr. Caymaz, and the process was very smooth, pretty easy. I flew in and I stayed in my hotel. The first day they brought me in, they did the consultation the same day. They checked my recipient area, my donor area, make sure that I was a good fit for a hair transplant. Everything went well. The doctor was very helpful, made sure I was happy with how I wanted my hair to look. The whole team was very helpful from beginning to end. I didn't feel any pain. I felt maybe some slight discomfort, but very temporary. And that's pretty much it. If you want to learn about this place, you can do some research on YouTube. They have WhatsApp. They have a couple social media platforms where you can get some information on the doctor here in Istanbul, Turkey. And I strongly recommend this clinic. It's a great one for a hair transplant. Dr. Caymaz is my hero.